Are you considering hiring a doula but unsure what they actually do? Or perhaps you've just come across the term and wonder if having one is beneficial. Today, I'll explain what a doula really is, how they support you throughout pregnancy, labor, and the postpartum period, and why choosing to have a doula could enhance your birth experience. Before we dive into the details, if you're currently pregnant or planning to be, feel free to drop a heart in the comments below and let me know how far along you are. I'm excited to hear about your journey. So what exactly is a doula? A doula is a trained professional who provides emotional, physical, and informational support to individuals during pregnancy, childbirth, and after the baby arrives. Importantly, a doula does not replace your doctor or midwife. Instead, their focus is entirely on you. They work to ensure you feel informed, supported, and empowered throughout your whole birth experience. Think of a doula as your personal birth coach and advocate. They help you navigate the myriad choices and unknowns that come with pregnancy and childbirth, so you never feel lost in making decisions. Now let's address some common misconceptions about doulas. Many people believe that doulas take the place of medical professionals, but that isn't the case. Doulas are part of your support team, focusing on your emotional and physical well-being. They do not deliver babies, monitor vital signs, or provide medical advice. Their role is to help create the best possible experience for you. Another misconception is that doulas are only for home births. In reality, many doulas also work in hospitals and birth centers. They're there to support all types of birth experiences, whether you choose medication, go unmedicated, have a C-section, or opt for a home delivery. You might also think that doulas are only for certain types of birthing people, but that's simply not true. Doulas provide guidance and support for everyone, regardless of their birthing preferences. They're there for anyone seeking extra help and encouragement during the birthing process. A common misunderstanding is that doulas make decisions for you. In fact, a doula will never tell you what to do. Instead, they assist you in understanding your options, empowering you to make the best choices for yourself and your family. Now, there are different types of doulas, and recognizing which one you might need can significantly enhance your experience. Birth doulas specialize in providing support during pregnancy and labor. They help you prepare, understand your options, and feel confident in your choices. During each stage of labor, they guide you with the comfort techniques and reassurance. Postpartum doulas, on the other hand, focus on the time after birth. They assist with recovery, newborn care, breastfeeding, and emotional well-being. Those early weeks with a new baby can be overwhelming, and having someone who understands what you're going through can truly make a difference. Additionally, there are other doulas who provide support through various phases of reproductive health, including fertility struggles, miscarriage, or stillbirth. If we look at what a doula does during each stage of labor, we see just how integral their role can be. In early labor, a doula encourages rest, hydration, and movement, reminding you that this stage can take some time and there's no rush. As you move into active labor, things generally intensify, and that's where a doula really shines. They employ comfort measures such as counter pressure, hip squeezes, and help you with guided breathing to keep you as comfortable as possible. They also work to create a calming environment, allowing you to maintain focus and control. When it's time to push, a doula will assist you in finding the most effective positions, encourage you to listen to your body, and cheer you on. Birth can feel like a marathon, and doulas are there to coach you through every contraction until you reach the finish line. It's also vital to understand that a doula's support doesn't end once your baby's born. Postpartum support is equally crucial. Doulas can provide guidance on newborn care, breastfeeding, your physical recovery, and your emotional health. They might assist with meal prep or light housework, doing whatever it takes to ensure you feel supported. You may have heard the phrase, "it takes a village." Doulas are part of that village, helping you to navigate those challenging early weeks and months so that you don't have to go through it alone. What's your biggest concern about life after giving birth? Let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to offer some help. Let's wrap this up with a quick Q&A to address some common questions about doulas. Can a doula support you during an epidural birth? The answer is yes. Doulas support all choices in birth and will ensure you stay comfortable and informed throughout the process. Are doulas covered by insurance? Sometimes. Many insurance plans do offer coverage for doulas, and you might also be able to use HSA or FSA funds, so definitely check your options. Can your partner and a doula work together? Absolutely. A doula's role is not to replace your partner, but to help them feel more confident in supporting you as well. If this video has helped you clarify what a doula does, please give me a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for tips on pregnancy and postpartum care. Thanks so much for watching. Catch you next time.